The owner of my local quilt shop recently told me to buy more fabric. Surprise, right? Well, get ready for some sticker shock because cotton prices are on the rise. In this video, I'll explain some of the price factors for your quilt fabric and give you some cost-cutting tips. Hi, I'm Andy, and this is True Blue Quilts. I want every quilter to find joy in the making. So no matter what level you are, beginner or more advanced, I'm here to help you enjoy, experiment, and excel as you create. We all know that quilting is not cheap. The average good machine can cost thousands of dollars, and fabric is currently around $12 a yard. So what can we do? What are the factors that are affecting these prices? In 2021, one of the biggest factors in the price we pay for quilting cotton is our trade situation with China. One of the regions in China that produces a lot of cotton material is being restricted because of human rights violations and their treatment of the Uyghur minority population. You can Google some news reports and dig more into that situation, but that, along with some downturn in the cotton industry, the manufacture and the production of the raw cotton, those have all contributed to the recent rise in prices. Add into that the manufacturing and the transportation difficulties caused by our global pandemic, and you can start to understand why the cost of goods is going up. Scott Fortunoff, a leader in the fabric industry, has shared his thoughts on a series of blog posts that give you some more insight into this issue. The bottom line with prices is the dollar amount you're paying today is probably the cheapest you're going to see for a while. And that's why my local shop owner is encouraging me to buy today. We can think of that as an investment. Besides going on a spending binge, what are some other ways that we can use to stock up on fabric? Well, if you're quilting on a budget, recycling and using old clothing is a common tradition and part of our quilting heritage to use that old clothing and those recycled feed sacks. Shirts, handkerchiefs, and denim jeans have all found their way into modern quilting. You can dig in your own closet or visit thrift stores to gather these recyclable fabrics. Some areas may have estate sales. Imagine the luck if you are able to find bins of fabric from a former quilter. If you are looking online for some vintage fabrics, check out my friend Rose Pettyjohn. She specializes in this type of quilting fabric. Etsy is one of the most popular online platforms for buying and selling fabric, so definitely check them out. But another good place to find quilting cottons is Feel Good Fibers. They opened in 2020 as the place to find quilt fabric online. You can buy and sell your stash on this platform. Although fabric prices are on the rise, many quilters have plenty of stash to see them through. Many of us can quilt for a long time with what we currently have on hand. This make-do attitude has carried us through and is part of the tradition and the heritage of quilting. It shows up in the wonderful scrappy projects that we create and that become family heirlooms. If you're looking for a video on scrappy quilts, you can check out my explanation of chaos versus control. Click right over here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.